Welcome to the first edition of AI and Data with Strategic Architects. And I'm here today with Sarath.
Hi, Nigel. It's good to be here talking about AI.
Yeah, so our topic today is think before you prompt. So staying safe with ChatGPT. So in this session, we will be providing some of those practical do's, don'ts, and the secure settings that we can do to protect your privacy. So even though ChatGPT doesn't remember what you type by default, your chats can still be used to improve the model unless you tell it not to. So it's up to you to protect your data. So with the recent surge in the use of ChatGPT, I've observed numerous risky practices employed by individuals when prompting ChatGPT and providing information that shouldn't be given to AI. Can you provide some innovative and safe ways to use ChatGPT?
Sure, Nigel. So based on my use of ChatGPT, these are some of the items that I think you should be doing in your environment. Keep your prompts generic, so avoid specifics unless they're completely harmless. Use it for ideation, summarizing information. Treat it like an external consultant. Only share what you're comfortable sharing with them, and use enterprise or secure accounts when handling anything business related. So don't use your personal accounts when talking about your business, for example. Make sure you know what devices you're sharing that information from as well. There are pieces of information that you never should share. So your personal identifiable information should not be shared. Your passwords or login credentials should never paste your real credentials. Make sure your work is confidential and it's not shared. So that includes names, financials, and any other information. Also ensure you don't share any medical or financial information as well. Remember, ChatGPT is an external system. Treat it as a system with other people. So if something gets hacked, you might lose your data. Okay, in the next section, what we're going to do is just going to have a look and see how you can turn off your information in ChatGPT and make sure ChatGPT doesn't actually store it for future use. To do that, go into your name, bottom left as shown on screen, go into settings, then click on data controls. And what you want to do is go improve the model for everyone section. Once you're in there, turn off the section that says improve the model for everyone. Make sure it's turned off. Then click done. And there we go. That should stop your information being shared as of this point. Okay, so now why would you want to do that, right? So let me give you a few examples of what happened when that wasn't done. First example is something that happened at Samsung itself. So what happened in 2024 is engineers at Samsung accidentally leaked sensitive internal source code of their solutions. What ended up happening is an eager engineer put his code into ChatGPT to do some debugging, and that got leaked, which was a massive issue we can imagine, as that delayed their source code deployments. Now, what Samsung ended up doing is putting in a policy that says you can't use AI or ChatGPT to do that kind of work. So clear internal guidelines were set up to prevent that actually happening. Now, then we have the case of safe and unsafe prompts. So when you write a prompt, make sure that it's completely free of any technical jargon or anything related to the business. As an example, Mary, who's a business analyst, put in a prompt asking to summarize key digital information for internal change management. You would notice that she didn't provide the client name, the industry documents, or any sensitive timelines. It is general, so you can get it and you can reuse it. An example of a prompt that you don't want to implement in ChatGPT is taken from Alex, who's a marketing manager managing multiple projects. He was in a rush, so he put in information asking for a specific report for board approval that talks about a specific campaign. This is unsafe because it deals with a few pieces of information. So commercial information that's sensitive, budgets, strategies, and the client's brand plan. again, which in case of a data breach is gold for competitors. In March 2023, as an example, OpenAI or ChatGPT experienced a major data breach. All information like addresses, payment information, and conversation history got leaked. The users shared information thinking it was private. When this particular breach occurred, some users saw other users' data, which is not good. Especially considering its health, sometimes its health. Think about what you would feel like if your family had health problems and their data got leaked.
Yeah,
it's a major issue. Even platforms that have the best of intentions can have flaws. No, any system that's built is built by a human. There are always bugs. So never post things information that you don't want leaked.
Well, they're good examples, Sarath. So, and good advice for everyone. So, AI platforms are really evolving now to support better data protection, but the responsibility still remains with the users to set those controls correctly. So, think before you prompt. ChatGPT is a brilliant system to use, but it's not a private storage system. So, make sure that you think before you prompt, have your right settings in place, and also don't provide any private information. So see us on the next video.